Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a what's in my bag. For this bag right here, this is the Louis Vuitton Alma BB in Damier Ebene print. So if you would like to see, then please keep watching. Okay, so I got my bag hot stamped with a number 19. 19 is my favorite number. My birthday is January 19th and 19 has a good meaning in numerology. So I thought, why not make my bag personal? And I find it looks better with the hot stamp, just in my opinion. But yeah, so this bag, I only use this as a top handle bag. I tried it as a crossbody because it does come with a removable strap, but this is not adjustable. I will insert a picture of me wearing it as a crossbody just for reference for you. I am 5'4", so it hits me in an okay spot. But if you are taller than me or shorter, just be mindful that it will hit you in a different spot and it's not adjustable. So go try it on in the store if you are considering it for a crossbody. I just don't like it because of the diagonal connects that you have to do with it. I find it to be very hard to access your items while it's attached to you as a crossbody. So I love to use this as a top handle for going out at night. I don't think a top handle for me personally during the day is practical, but that's just me. And the one thing I will say about this bag is it's an awkward shape, so it is kind of hard to access your items, but I will show you right now what I keep inside. Okay, so here is the bag right here. I will show you everything inside. I do have it pretty stuffed because I did go out last night, so I have it with all of the things that I needed for the night. So, first things first, I see my phone right here. This is the iPhone 12, and I have this purple case from Amazon. I have my keys, which is the Louis Vuitton key clay. I use this as my downsize wallet because I was driving. So normally with this purse, I would take the Recto Verso wallet by Louis Vuitton just as a downsize because my zippy wallet does not fit in here. It's a little too long and it doesn't clear this opening. So yeah, so this was my downsize wallet for the night. I put some cards in there. It has my ID and things like that. Then I have this, which is a toothbrush holder from Target, but I put plastic straws in here. I know plastic straws are not good, so please don't come for me, but I find this to be good if they don't give you a straw at the restaurant. You can have one, and I don't like paper straws, and I'm not drinking out of the glass. That's just personal preference for me, so I always bring There is one slip pocket, and in here I just put some wet ones just in case I want to wipe something down or if someone wants to wipe their hands, something. Then I have my portable charger, which is great. My phone is always dying because I like to play my music and I like to, you know, go on Instagram and all of that. So my phone does die, so this is great. I got this off of Amazon. All of my Amazon things will be linked down below. Now, I'm really happy to have not sold this. This is the Toiletry 15 from Louis Vuitton. I considered selling it, but I love it as a catch-all for my smaller bags. I also use it as a catch-all slash makeup bag in my maxi, my Chanel maxi. And yeah, so I really love it. And yeah, I'm happy I didn't sell it. So I do have some makeup in here. I have my MAC Studio Fix Powder, IMC4. I have this KKW Beauty Lip Liner in Classic Kim. Love this. It's a very pretty brown. I have my Lily Lashes eye glue just in case one of my eyelashes gets loose. I can put it back on. Then I have this lip lacquer from KKW Beauty. It's called Creamy Nude. I love this color. This is actually what's on my lips in the video and I love it. It's such a pretty nude. And those last really long on your lips, if you were wondering. Oh, and it comes with this little brush to apply it. And then I have some gum, and then I also have some hand sanitizer. At the bottom, I have some L'Occitane hand cream, just in case my hands feel a little dry or somebody else's hands feel dry and they want some. I have this. I really love this hand cream. I have this Tide to Go pen, just in case I spill something or somebody spills something on themselves or whatever. This is great to have. And the last thing in here is this little perfume. I want to say this is a decant or a, travel spray. This was from Royalty Scents. I did have a subscription for a while, and this is Tom Ford Lost Cherry. Thinking about getting the full size in Tom Ford Lost Cherry. Tell me down below if you like that fragrance, because I am going to be doing a updated fragrance collection, so hopefully I will add that soon. But yeah, so that is everything that is in the bag. Like I said before, you get one slip pocket and you get the red interior, which is what I think all of the Damier Ebene pieces come with, but I'm not sure. I know my Keep All is brown on the inside, so I'm not sure if all of them are red. I think some of them have that like magenta color, but I'm not sure. And also, I wanted to show you, if you weren't familiar with this purse, that it doesn't open all the way. It has this little, I don't know what you call this, but it doesn't open all the way, so it's kind of hard to get your items in and out if it is completely stuffed. I wish they didn't have this. I guess your items would maybe fall out, or I don't know, but I wish it was a full zip. Like, it stopped here, but it didn't have this. I think more items would fit. But yeah, that is everything that is in my bag. And that is it for this video, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please like this video, leave me a comment down below, share with your friends, and please subscribe so you won't miss out on any more videos from me, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.